So, I heard this loud banging, popping noise. I don't know what the hell it is. It came out front. Turn on the camera. It's like a rumbling. I can feel it, like... Boom. Hear that? What the hell is that? Odd thing is I hear lots of sirens in the background, which are fading out. It seems like they're kind of going in the direction of whatever that is. All the dogs are barking on the block. Weird. This is just bizarre. What time is it? 9:11? 9:12? What the hell is going on? You can still hear it, like...
You think it could be a plane misfiring?
No, listen. Stop. Dude, that is some weird shit. This kind of reminds me of like...
At first I thought it was trash cans.
Whoa. Fuck is that? There it is again, and boom. You can like almost feel it. It's like...
I heard it all the way in Lily's room.